Here's how to stop chat backup in WhatsApp in your iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can stop chat backup in WhatsApp. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are a few methods on how you can stop chat backup. So it actually depends on you on how much do you want to stop the chat backup. So if you want to stop the chat backup right now and you want to keep all the chats that you got and you want to stop the chat backup for now because you got no storage left, all right? So what you can basically do is just basically go to your WhatsApp, and I'm just gonna type it in right over here. And yeah, once you're inside WhatsApp, what you basically need to do is just basically press on the settings on the corner. Once you press on it, it will show you all your name and everything, but you just gotta swipe down and you'll see an option of chats right underneath accounts and privacy. You just gotta go ahead and press on chats. Once you do this, it'll show you the option of chat backup. So you basically need to press on chat backup, and here it will show you auto backup. So you basically need to turn auto backup off just like me. And here, as you can see, for you it must be on daily or weekly or even monthly, but you can just basically press on off, and now all of your chat backup will be stopped and it won't be saved anymore. But you want to delete all the chat backup. So what you can do basically is just first of all, so this is the method that I see no one doing, but if you actually want to get rid of all the data, you can just basically type in App Store, and once you type in App Store, just basically search up WhatsApp, and you basically need to stay right over here. And here, as you can see, it's telling me to update. You basically need to update the app. What update does is basically sometimes once you stop the chat backup, and once you press on update, it basically clears the previous chat backup that wasn't actually saved. So it will clear out all these chat backups that weren't actually saved. So yeah, you basically need to update. All right, so once you have done all the update process, you can go to settings now, and these two methods are basically permanently deleting your chat backups and you won't be able to see any. So the first one is just basically going to your storage general, and just basically press on general and then iPhone storage. And once inside, you need to go to WhatsApp, and here, as you can see, I got 930 MB last use. So what you can do is just basically press on offload app and just offload it, and it will delete all the you know WhatsApp offload, and it will delete all the unnecessary files and pictures and everything. So yeah, it will clear the cache. But yeah, the last method is very simple. You basically need to go to your iCloud account settings right over here, and then just basically press on iCloud right over here. As you can see, just basically press on iCloud, and right over here you basically have to press on see all on the app section, and you basically need to scroll down till the end until you find WhatsApp, and you have to uncheck WhatsApp from right over here. What this will do, it will basically stop syncing your iCloud with your WhatsApp, and it will basically get rid of all the chat backups. So yeah, these are all the ways on how you can stop chat backup in WhatsApp in your iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.